And finally on our show, we take you down to an aircraft hangar at Chandler-Gilbert Community College's Williams campus, where students are focused in on a career in aviation mechanics.
Before the turbo engine fires up, the propeller starts to spin, and the plane takes off, these aircraft get a first-class tune-up right here. This is the Aviation Mechanics Lab at Chandler-Gilbert's Williams campus.
They get a taste of everything. And when they leave out of here with an A&P license, they have an entry-level knowledge that prepares them for what they may see in the most complex aircraft to the most basic of aircraft.
So that's all they're looking for that.
The certificate, degree, and university transfer programs offered right here at the Williams campus are designed to meet and surpass the needs of the industry with a lot of personal instruction and hands-on learning.
Students learn to take apart and put back together all kinds of engines. This is a turboprop engine here. Over here, this is a turbo shaft engine. This would be used to run that helicopter behind me. And this is a turbofan engine. It would be used to run a Learjet. And this engine would cost you over $1 million.
Technical specialties include aircraft maintenance, electronics, avionics, and aircraft construction. And the lab that you see right here is the heart of the learning process.
I think our equipment, our instructional level, and what we require our students to know coming out of our program puts us in the very top echelon of colleges around the nation that teach aviation.
And this program is truly unique. That's because it's the only FAA-approved community college aviation maintenance program in the entire Metro Phoenix area.
The aviation industry in the Maricopa community is huge, and the fact that the Maricopa Community College District recognizes that they need to support that and have invested huge resources from the taxpayers, you and me included, says a lot for the confidence that they have not only in us as a school and as an entity, but also in us partnering with our outside companies to make this thing flourish.
There is no doubt that the students in this program put in countless hours of intense study and practice to develop the skills that they need to enter the workforce. It is serious business. But on the lighter side, where else can you fly model airplanes in class during your lunch break?
Everyone here likes airplanes, so we have something in common. And we all tend to have just a really good working relationship in school, and always have something to talk about because we're all the same age, and that's how the aviation is. It's just tight-knit.
Students flying out of this aviation's program are landing jobs right here in the Valley of the Sun and all across the nation, and that has the instructors here flying high.
Our students are having no problem getting employed. We've brought on a lot of people to recruit our students. In the last month, I've had MD Helicopter, Mesa Airlines to be here. We have a lot of our students working for U.S. Airways.
And the list goes on and on as more and more people take to the skies and the demand for skilled aviation mechanics continues to climb. Flying remains one of the safest ways to travel, and the men and women that you see here are working to keep it that way. For Maricopa Now, I'm Paul Ferrante.